Did you know that over 80% of people wish they could whiten their teeth? That's right. If you're one of them, stick around because you won't believe the results we're about to show you. Today, we're diving into the world of professional teeth whitening. A dazzling smile can change everything, right? Let's find out how a visit to the dentist can transform your grin and give you that confidence boost you've been looking for. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Teeth whitening sounds great, but is it really worth it? A lot of folks have concerns before jumping in. For starters, there's sensitivity. Many people worry that whitening treatments will leave their teeth feeling like ice cubes in a freezer. And then there's effectiveness. You don't want to spend your hard-earned cash only to see minimal results. Plus, let's not forget about cost. Professional treatments can be pricey, and you might be wondering if you could get the same results with over-the-counter products. So, can we really trust the professionals? That's the million-dollar question. Don't worry, here's the solution. Do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.